Welcome to Mrs. C Math 2 class online. Today's lesson would be radical equations, how to solve a radical equation. So to start with, here are the steps to solve radical equation. So isolate the radical on one side of the equation, raise each side of the equation to the power of the index to eliminate the radical sign. And then solve the remaining equation. Fourth one would be check for the extraneous solution. Okay, so I only have three examples here. And if you want to follow these examples, you can just go to the PDF file that I will be attaching on this video. It's on page 16. So I'm gonna upload more of these examples because I still have remaining examples there in the PDF. So just bear on me. All right, let's start with number one. So number one says square root of x plus 5 equals 12. So again, as what I said, we have the steps here, so we can just follow it. It says isolate the radical on one side of the equation. So I need to eliminate 5 here. And that will be 7. Then raise each side of the equation to the power of the index to eliminate the radical sign. So I will just raise both of these equations into the squared because as what I said on my previous video, if you don't see any index, it means that it is a perfect square or it's a square root. So squared it, so you can cancel this. Then you're gonna have x is equal to 49. But we don't know yet if 49 is really a solution or an extraneous solution. So we need to plug in back. Let's do that. Okay, checking. You're going to have copy the original equation, square root of x plus 5 is equal to 12. So plug in if x is equal to 49 plus 5 is equal to 12. This will become 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, where it says that 12 is equal to 12. If they are equal to each other, meaning it is a solution. So 49 is one of the solution. Got it? Let's make it more harder. So this is the third example on PDF, page 16. All right, 10 plus square root of 8 plus 7 equals 11. So again, we need to isolate the radical on one side of the equation. So we need to remove negative 10 here on both sides. So cancel. That will become a plus 7 equals 11 minus 10 is 1. And then go to the next step, says raise each side of the equation to the power of the index. To eliminate this, so you're going to have squared both sides. So cancel the radical symbol. That will be a plus 7 equals 1. So you're going to have subtract 7. So you'll have a is equal to negative 6. Is that right? Yes. So a is equal to negative 6. Then we don't know yet if negative 6 is a solution, so we need to plug in back. So 10 plus a plus 7 equals 11. So 10 plus, that will be negative 6 plus 7 equals 11. So 10 plus, this is square root of 1 equals 11. What is the square root of 1? 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, which says 11 is equal to 11. So therefore, negative 6 here is a solution. Next, number 5. A negative 36 equals negative 9c minus 12 raised to 1/2. This is raised to 1/2. So this is a rational exponent. So we need to change this first into a radical form. So 1 would be your exponent and 2 would be your index. So I will rewrite this equation by negative 36 equals negative 9 square root of c minus 12 raised to 1. 1 as an exponent can be imaginary, so I don't need to write it. And 2 can also be imaginary as an index. So that is the radical form of this rational exponent here. All right. So to continue, again, we're gonna go over it. I mean, we need to follow the steps. So we need to isolate this. So since this is a multiplication, so we need to divide -9 in both sides. Cancel out -9. And now we have -36 divided by -9 is 4 equals square root of c minus 12. Can you follow? And then raise each side of the equation to the power of the index. So you're going to have 4 equals square root of c minus 12 squared. All right. So cancel, and that will be 16 equals c minus 12. And then add 12 in both sides so we can eliminate and isolate c. Cancels out. C is now equal to 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. Now, let's see if 28 is really a solution or extraneous. So plugging back, you're gonna use this original one, or we can use this form. So -36 is equal to -9, then 28 minus 12. What's 28 minus 12? So -36 is equal to -9, and then 28 minus 12 would be 16. And what's the square root of 16? So the square root of 16 is equal to 4. And what's -9 times 4? It's -36. So therefore, -36 is equal to -36. So therefore, they are equal. So 28 here is a solution. All right? I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna upload and have a part 2 of this video. I will make sure that one of them will be extraneous and whatever. All right? See, I don't know how to edit the video, so I need to end this one and create another video. See ya.